To switch to Xfinity Mobile, you must first check if your phone or smartwatch is compatible with the network. If your device is locked by your previous carrier, you will need to get it unlocked. Next, obtain an Xfinity Mobile SIM card and activate it by signing into your account, navigating to the Devices tab, and following the prompts to check compatibility and enter your phone's IMEI. Once your SIM card is activated, you can select your preferred data option and subscribe. If you want to keep your existing phone number, you will need to provide your account number and name, transfer PIN, social security number, and confirmation that your account is unlocked. After completing these steps, you will be ready to use the Xfinity Mobile network on your phone. The process is relatively straightforward, and with these simple steps, you can easily make the switch to Xfinity Mobile.